What if life had a soundtrack? Autumn had come early to Springfield City, a quiet town hidden away in a dusty corner of this picturesque part of western New England. A small town, what they used to call a company town. Normally, the women would be busy in the kitchen, preparing dinner for the family, while the men would be out in the yard, mending fences and talking sports with the neighbors. But recent events had kept everybody indoors. With the closing of the town's only business, the Lazy Susan factory, and the coming of the expected heavy winter snows, there just wasn't much to do. That is, except to watch reruns on the color television. It seems like the good folks of this tranquil community were like a smoldering fire, ready to ignite over the most mundane of domestic disputes, like who controls the remote. Life deserves a soundtrack. Visit voices.com.